How to donate plasma. Determine if you meet eligibility requirements. In order to donate plasma, you must meet certain requirements. Make sure you know what these requirements are ahead of time. All plasma donors must be at least 18 years old. A plasma donor must weigh at least 110 pounds. You also must pass a medical examination and undergo testing for transmittable infections like hepatitis and HIV. Complete a pre-donation physical. Before being allowed to donate plasma, you must undergo a confidential pre-donation physical. This is usually conducted at the donation center and is designed to assure you're healthy and able to donate plasma. The physical is a basic exam, where your vitals are taken and you answer a series of questions regarding your medical history. You will also disclose to the doctor any medications you are currently taking and their dosage. Your protein and hemoglobin levels will also be taken via blood test during the exam. This is to assure your levels are adequate enough that you can safely donate plasma. Complete a donor history questionnaire. You will have to complete a donor history questionnaire to determine your eligibility to donate plasma. The questionnaire will ask about current medications, recent surgeries, and any recent tattoos and piercings. Stay hydrated and follow nutrition guidelines. Assuming you're approved to donate based on your exam and questionnaire, you'll have to follow certain nutritional guidelines in the days leading up to your donation. Aim for a high-protein diet that includes 50 to 80 grams of protein daily. Go for lean, healthy proteins like those found in fish, nuts, legumes, and poultry. Make sure to drink extra fluids, such as water or fruit juice, in the days leading up to the donation. Donating plasma. Bring the required forms of identification. At the donation center, certain forms of identification are required. You will present the following to the receptionist. Current photo ID, example passport, driver's license, social security card or border crossing ID, proof of local address. Allow a technician to conduct a blood test from your finger. A technician at the donation center will take a small blood sample from your finger via needle. This will be used to quickly check our protein and iron levels to make sure they're adequate and that you're healthy enough to donate. Prepare your arm for the needle. Once your protein and iron levels prove adequate, your arm will be prepared for the donation, which will be taken via a needle injection. Your arm will be doused with antiseptic and a technician will insert the needle into the vein. The process may be somewhat painful but should not be unbearable. Many describe it as similar to a light bee sting. Donate plasma. Once the needle is in, the donation process begins. Blood is drawn and plasma is then separated from your red blood cells. The process takes about 2 hours total, so it's a good idea to bring reading material or an electronic device on which you can listen to music or books on tape or watch movies. Some plasma donation centers might let you bring a friend for support and entertainment during the process. Following protocol after donating. Receive your compensation. Once the donation process is complete, you'll receive compensation for your time. You can usually do this with the reception. Compensation varies from center to center but is usually in the $40 to $60 range. Keep your bandage on for several hours. Your arm will be bandaged after the donation is complete. Talk to a doctor at the donation center to ask approximately what time you can remove the bandage. Wash around the injection site with soap and warm water after removing the bandage. Care for yourself after the donation. After the donation, there is certain protocol you need to follow to make sure your body has time to recover. Eat a light healthy meal a few hours after donating. Stick to lean protein, fruits and veggies, and whole wheats or grains. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and juice after donating, just as you did before the donation. Try to drink room temperature liquids. Do not smoke cigarettes until at least 30 minutes after the donation. Alcohol should be avoided on the day of your donation.